Welcome to Future Aspirants. Today we will discuss the daily current affairs of 12th August 2021. Let's start. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh became the first state to recognize community forest resource rights in an urban area, with the state government recognizing the rights of residents of Damatri district over 4,127 hectares of forests. And the CM of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel and Governor of Chhattisgarh is Anushya Uke. Next one. Kamlesh Kumar Pant. Kamlesh Kumar Pant, who is a 1993 batch IAS officer of Himachal Pradesh cadre, has been appointed as the new chairman of National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority (NCPA) by the Appointment Committee of the Union Cabinet. The Pharmaceutical Pricing Agency was currently headed by the IAS officer Shubhra Singh, who was appointed to the post in 2018. Singh has been repatriated to her cadre state Rajasthan, according to an order of the Personal Ministry. A National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority founded on 29 August 1997 and the headquarters is located at New Delhi. Next one. Cashify. Cashify, a e-commerce marketplace, announced that it has appointed Rajkumar Rao as its first brand ambassador. The actor has signed a multi-year contract with the company and he will promote the products across digital media platforms through campaigns and promotional activities exclusively for the smartphone buyback category. Next one. India. India and Saudi Arabia are all set to conduct their first ever naval exercise Al Mohad Al Hindi 2021. To participate in the exercise, India's guided missile destroyer INS Kochi reached Saudi Arabia. In December 2020, Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narwane visited the UAE and Saudi Arabia in a first ever visit a head of the Indian Army to the two important Gulf countries. Next one. IAF. Indian Air Force has built one of the world's highest mobile air traffic control ATC towers at the Advanced Landing Ground in Ladakh. The ATC, the Mobile Air Traffic Control, controls operations of the fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters operating in the eastern Ladakh region. And the Air Chief Marshal is Rakesh Kumar Singh Bahaduria and Indian Air Force founded is 8th October 1932 and headquarters is located at New Delhi. Next one. DRDO. Defense Research Development Organization has successfully test-fired medium-range subsonic cruise missile Nirbhay from the integrated test range at Chandipur of Odisha coast. Nirbhay is India's first indigenous technology cruise missile. And the indigenous technology cruise missile Nirbhay was successfully test launched with a made in India Manik turbofan engine. And the chairman of DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy and headquarters is located in New Delhi and established on 1958. Next one. Quad countries. The Quad countries navies including India, the US, Japan and Australia will be conducting the annual Malabar Naval Exercise from August 21 of the coast of Guam in the Indian Pacific region. Next one. RBL. Ratnakar Bank Limited has chosen Amazon Web Services, an Amazon.com company, as its preferred cloud partner. AWS. Amazon Web Services helps RBL Bank to strengthen its artificial intelligence powered banking solutions and drive digital transformation at the bank, adding significant value to the bank's innovative offerings, saving costs and tightening risk controls. RBL Bank founded on August 1943 and headquarters is located at Mumbai. Next one. 28th Asian Regional Forum Initial Meeting. The Minister of State for External Affairs Dr. Rajkumar Singh led India's delegation to the 20th Asian Regional Forum, Year of Foreign Ministers meeting. The meeting was held under the chairmanship of Brunei Darussalam. The Asian Regional Forum Ministers adopted a joint statement on promoting the Youth, Peace and Security YPS agenda. India engages actively in Year of activities and initiatives on maritime security, counter-terrorism, information and communication technologies, disaster relief, etc. Next one. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization Chief Dr. K. Sivan has formally inaugurated the Health Quest Friday, health quality upgradation enabled by space research technology of ISRO, which will be undertaken by 20 private hospitals across India. The event was co-organized by the Association of Healthcare Providers India and the Society for Emergency Medicine in India. And the ISRO chairman is K. Sivan and headquarters is located at Bengaluru, Karnataka, established on 15th August 1969. The International Cricket Council has confirmed it will campaign for the inclusion of the sports at the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. Next one. Kakori. Train Conspiracy. The Uttar Pradesh government has renamed a landmark freedom movement event as the Kakori Train Action, while paying tributes to the revolutionists who were hanged for robbing a train at Kakori to buy weapons in 1925. The new name was used in official communications to refer to the event, usually described as the Kakori Train Robbery or the Kakori Train Conspiracy. Next one. International Youth Day. International Youth Day is observed on August 12 annually to draw the attention of governments and others towards youth issues worldwide. This day is celebrated to recognize the efforts put in by the youth for the betterment of society. The day aims to promote the ways to engage the youth and make them more actively involved in their communities through positive contributions. This year, the theme of International Youth Day 2021 is Transforming Food Systems, Youth Innovation for Human and Planetary Health. Next one. World Elephant Day. World Elephant Day is observed every year on August 12 worldwide for the preservation and protection of the global elephants. The main objective of the World Elephant Day is to create awareness on elephant conservation and to share knowledge and positive solutions for the better protection and management of wild and captive elephants. Thanks for watching.